so cool. He has the Snoopy license plate. What the hell? What if I get that? Nah, it's good. No, it's actually so cool. I didn't even know like that was an option. It literally has this. I don't know if you can see, but it literally has the Snoopy lettering, and then it says "Funny Dog." That's actually so cool. What the hell? I've always wondered what's like the whole process in terms of like getting a custom license plate or like a special license plate, especially here in California. Like I wonder how I wonder like how that all works in terms of like finding the license plate or just like having to go through the DMV and like all this other stuff. I don't know. I mean, if any of you guys have like done it before or whatever, you can let me know in the comments. But yeah, right now I'm just driving around in the car. Cause why not? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just head home in a little bit. But I just did an oil change earlier before before it got dark. Cause right now it's November and it's barely 6:40 and it's already like pitch black. The sun already started setting down like at 5:30. So I don't know, man. These daylight savings are not it. Like for me personally, bro. I don't know. I don't like it. First of all, I'm like a morning person. I've always been a morning person. I've always waked up super early, like six or seven, in the morning. I've just always been a morning person, and this whole daylight savings, especially in the winter. It literally it'll be like 4 p.m. and like it's already dark. It's like what the hell? Like but yeah, just got done with the oil change. I also added some oil stabilizer because before the car would start like ticking a lot, and I was like, oh, I probably have a lifter tick, which is like a common thing in these Miatas. So I decided like, oh, next time, like when I do the oil change, because it was already due, but when I would do the oil change, I'll just add in some Lucas oil, and hopefully that helps it out, and it did. Well, I mean, at least for now on the first startup, when I first started up, so that you can get the oil going. Literally like no ticks at all. Everything sounded good. No leaks from anywhere. So I mean, yeah. Yeah, I know. With the lifter ticks, especially on the Miatas, this is like a common thing that that to get. Some people say that like, oh, you have to replace the lifter. Some people say that you have to like just change your oil and just add in some like additives and you'll be good. Like for me, some people have also just like just clean the lifters and that worked for them. So yeah, if the tick starts coming back or like whatever happens or it gets worse or whatever, I'll probably post a video about it, and then I don't know if you guys have any tips or if like what have you guys done to fix the problem, so I mean, yeah, hopefully it doesn't come back. Hopefully with the oil change and the stabilizer that just fixes everything, but you never know. Louisiana? What the hell? HNSI, man, I want to get one. Right now, I just have a 2009 Civic, but it's automatic and a base model. I just have it. That's my daily for now. I've had it for actually, I think like it's about to be like 3 years. I don't know if it's already been 3 years, but yeah, or 2 years, two or 3 years. But it's just I don't know, man. But I'll be honest, I really want to get rid of it and get an SI 8th gen, of course, a sedan, because I don't like how the coupes look, especially in the back. You know, some people like it, some people don't. I don't. But yeah, I really want to get an HNSI. I'm also looking into a 2014-15 9th gen SI. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I kind of just want to get rid of it, just because I just want to get a manual. For me personally, the automatic, it is kind of boring, especially just in a base model Civic. It's a good daily and everything, but it's just I don't know. As a daily, I would just prefer a manual. But yeah. I think this is where I'm just gonna cut the video. I mean, I don't know how long I was recording, but I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have enjoyed my little commentary, my little comments. If you don't, then click off the video. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing more videos in the Miata. I will also probably do some videos in my Honda Civic. Maybe just like a little walkthrough of the car and just a little POV. And also I do want to do a video talking about this car, everything that I've done, all of that. I'll get to that very soon, hopefully. But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed. So we didn't scrape. Hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good one.